Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'll be reviewing about the Realme X2 Pro device with the sunlight visibility test in the Realme X2 Pro device. So right now I am in the indoors and let me move to the outdoors and I'll be showing you how is the visibility of the phone in the direct sunlight. Is it good or is it better? So let's check in this video guys. So if you're new to my channel, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. I'm posting a lot of interesting videos regarding the Realme X2 Pro, and do check the playlist in the description as well. So as you can see guys, I set to the auto brightness mode here clearly. So let me move to the sunlight right now and let's see how good the auto brightness works, whether can you see it or not. So as you can see right now, I'm standing directly to the facing to the sun exactly. Overall the text is little bit readable, but let me try to open the Google Chrome browser and check so whether you can browse the text or not under the direct sunlight. So right now it's midday guys currently. So overall the text looks a little bit crispy and clear. There's no problem in that. So let me move to the shade so we can compare side by side right now. So overall guys, I did not have any problem reading in the direct sunlight. It's clearly visible, there is no problem at all by reading the text or browsing to the web pages, as you can see here. So the overall the auto brightness works pretty good in this device, X2 Pro device. So even the 1000 nits brightness is very good in this device. So when compared with other smartphones till now I have used, this will be the best to use in the outdoors under the broad day sunlight. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and comparison videos in the future. See you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.